Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically create asset from purchased product in Odoo. This is especially useful for companies in construction, manufacturing or IT where big purchases like machinery, tools or equipments need to be tracked as an asset. So before we jump into Odoo, let me give you an example. Let's say you purchase a laptop or a computer. So instead of manually creating fixed asset in your books, Odoo lets you link the product to an asset category. So when you validate the vendor bill, the asset is created automatically. Let's get started. First, go to the accounting module. Here we have to create an asset model. So click on configuration and then scroll down here and then click on asset models. Here you will see an asset model has already created. Click on this. This model has contained depreciation method, duration, computations, and also the company name. Here the depreciation account and the expense account. Now if you want to automate the asset creation, then you have to link that account to the asset models. Go to that account and here in the automation tab you can see three options of automate assets. Here either you can choose create and draft or you can choose also create and validate. Let's say I am choosing create and validate. Now you will see the field manage items. Here if you tick mark the checkbox of this field, then the asset will be created as per the items, but if you do not, then the asset will be created as per the vendor bill. So let's say I am tick mark the checkbox of this, and here you will allow the asset models, that is laptop. Now save this information. Now go to the purchase module. Here first you have to create the new RFQ, so click on new. Here fill the vendor details and then add a product and the quantity also, and then just confirm the order. And here you have to receive the product, so click on the receipts, check all the details and then just validate. Go back to the purchase order and then click on the create bill option. Here you have to choose the account correctly, so the account is this and then fill the date and then just confirm this. As you confirm the order, the bill, then you can see here the asset is automatically created. So that's how easy it is to automate asset creation from purchase in Odoo. If you have any question or want a blog version of this tutorial, then just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.